Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Continuing with football, Holland Police Youth Club are champions of the St. Elizabeth Major League after clipping Goshen FC 1-0 in the final at the St. Elizabeth Technical High School on Sunday. Substitute Javon Ambersley broke the deadlock with the all-important goal in minute 67. Despite lifting the trophy, Holland PYC's head coach Lance Morgan said his team wasn't at its best in the early stages of the game.
I think we played well in patches, but enough to have created enough chances to have won the game even before halftime. So it's been a concern of mine all season, and we keep missing so many easy chances. And when you do that, you keep the opponent in the game. And Goshen is a good enough team. They have very good players, and so I thought that the longer the game went, we kept them in the game. We should have finished it long time. That was my concern.
Meanwhile, Goshen FC assistant coach Robert Lewis lamented the poor officiating in the game, but was optimistic about his team's future.
We need to do something about the official offensive. It's very, very poor. As you can see, some of the call them are very, very poor. Next year again, most definitely next year again. If we go back, the youths are young. We have good groups of guys. We have a good manager, Mr. Miller. We go up to Mr. Miller and Mobile City Plus. No, he's always have a back, so definitely next year again.
Goshen FC, who were also mid-season champions, will go on to the South Central Region playoffs, where the winners will be promoted to the Tier 2 competition. Meanwhile, Elite Academy won the third place playoff after drubbing Parity United 5-1 in the curtain raiser.